Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TVG so Wofreme Ajoa searching.
Hey, Reverend Owusu Bempah. Reverend Owusu Bempah, when I would say yen yakoto abama MPP, I oba dome yen. Anope ya enkra yensa, I can say. Ye papa, Reverend Badu Kobi, or Jare, we trash ama ye de nakoto hospital. Into yen yaresa. It is a Reverend Owusu Bempah who to me, I'll bet me the adrome MPP for. Nya to me, na fa kosa ye papa Reverend Badu Kobi. So what me say ye papa Reverend Badu Kobi yale a ye betimi age wo no men sem na wo so bedome ye no na say won timi ansa Reverend Badu Kobi yade a then you don't have foco Reverend Owusu Bempah. Pastors in Ghana, some of you, let me tell you directly, mo amode na na do anim chief for mo na mo di papa na tem no Kama will find a way to deal with you people. Some pastors in Ghana here Nanado, me say the God of Nanado is talking. Ebusiafo minkwati ya de nyina each and everybody can get sick. But Reverend Badu Kobi ni age me sure say Reverend Badu Kobi when you're 75 and now 80 years. Now I can see say he is battling with stroke. When people insulted Nanado, Badu Kobi said you did Nanado atemno. Nanado is blessed, I'm telling you, Papa, no, 90 years. A man who understood children send kola in school. Brought free years and kola munko school. Na me famohoka. This man did not go for loans from outside. He stood on his grounds with the MPP government. Took care of these children. Some pastors stood on their altar. Insulted this man. We did Nanado atempo. Hey, Massa, Bible Christ said, "Di papa ne di wajane wunani." Na wunkwa wari wasase so Nanado wenyi okay 90 years. Me, I will now stand here and insult President John Dramani Mahama. I will never do that because he's older than me. I can tell my mind, but without insulting him. By people, me say I'm for the Nanado wenyi chichi from. And Badu Kobi wa yare da ho. He's sick. The man is sick. The man is very sick. Or yare. And this is form penny for. Papa ne yare. Papa no company mamo. Nti mo kore papa no. Me say Reverend Owusu Bempah. Se Owusu wo tumi ade be do me MPP for. Nya tumi na fa kwasa Reverend Badu Kobi yare. Se wotimi sa Reverend Badu Kobi yare. Eyi wotimi sa na yare no. Na wotimi nante na ne ho to no a. Reverend Owusu Bempah yebeji wadi. Now without that ne die the obeka bia no
Reverend Owusu Bempah. You see, say na sorry de begu. Oh yes, e begu. O passport market to the wall. Be maker. Listen, obi oni mi bia say in my days I started reading psychological books or take answer and be different normal, be different normal, and be doing something this way. I deal with human behavior and then confide with myself. I saw any begu. But make sure the quality begu. Listen to me. If NDC every election 2028 ultimately take credit no. Reverend Owusu Bempah say NDC we need 2028 elections ultimately taking the credits to you because we have a lot of NDC pastors almost prophesy say NDC will win 2028. Haven't we heard some before? Jamaica no say they said year 2024 year ba beto aba no no prophesy say President Mahama ntimi president biem that ana Badu Kobi Reverend Badu Kobi any prophet Nigeria more prophesy say 2024 NDC will win the power. The American say and son or Bekabi. Beside that, what the bar in the physical realm, me as a logician, meaning say who follow the history of Ghana politics, the information of Ghana politics. Abai bi aba onya 8 years. Mewa. Abai bi aba onya 8 years. So logically, Ubatimi Akase, this will get 8 years. Mebwa. The only opportunity NPP ever to win 2028 is say NDC will be fielding new candidates. In our history, our Ghana politics, no, party beyond fielding fresh candidates. Our new be our contested pay, contested our we need that. And I say, Obia, when a certain president to be contested, I be we need a see that, a be see that. That's the only opportunity NDC, NPP has going into 2028 elections. But my information, I mean, from 1992 bad there. Aba when you're 8 years. So you can also be informed by that information to say that NPP wouldn't come to power. And an 8-year-old girl cried and said, NDC 1, they had 8 years. NPP 1, they had 8 years. 2000, NDC 2 had 8 years. NPP 2 had 8 years. Yes, and I will tell you why. Not sorry, the big group. Check. Listen, say, Dr. NDC we need to take credit. Say nobody kaka. Dr. Baumia winia ebe collapse na sorry. Yes, yes. I'm saying that said this winia nyo because nipa bebre akada. Say on be winning. And I pair the information a physical realm. No. Said this winia nyanwa. Because I buy be about on your 8 years. But Dr. Baumia winia na sorry the begu. Because people will come to realize that we're a certain man of God. I'm telling you. Yes. Make sure you culture a certain man of God. Apart from Adidiatemno, make sure you culture a certain man of God. Okay? What kind of Pew Ghana researcher? Pew Research Center. Or me a research firm, a global research firm. Almost the fastest growing major religion in the world, Islam. TNU, Islam. Now, 2010, equity 2028, 10 years. Nipa 347 million. And they call Islam. And no matter the culture, Christianity, crawling, and grow to say Islam. One of the key factors we have theology, you have to be Christian apologetic. So Christian apologetic, you know, who defended the Bible and the Christianity, because there are some exposés be our Bible more. And sometimes and conform with you say it does not make sense to them. For example, we read the Bible say, "Tama Ken Ku Nunya Abel no Ken Koi and or Koware no Woye." That time you see the path for the net we are saying, why not Koware? You need a theologian to break that to them. So people read the Bible and this Christian apologetic, when they don't understand it, they go to Islam. That is one too. Obviously, the lifestyle of today, the lifestyle of the modern men of God, the lifestyle of the modern men of God is reducing, reversing people from Christianity. The lifestyle. And that lifestyle, Ebina Reverend Owusu Bempah.
Are you saying he's only man of God?
Me say
he's not spiritual.
Me say that's why you're spiritual or not. No minimum Kumasi. You feel in Libya. Unu bobo pa. O bobo you feel in Libya. Unu bobo pa. No minimum say ya mensa ono so. But you walk kanu and I make sure say. No minimum say ya mensa ono so. But you walk minimum say I don't know because a true man of God wouldn't do this. You let me come to my ear. At the quality I make say. Or yeah, certain man of God, they say. Boss, so with this idea I make ya. Obviously, some lifestyle of some men of God contribute to reverse the progress of Christianity. Listen, inconsistency of some of the men of God. A couple of man conforming Christianity. A man conforming reluctant. They don't go to church because of this inconsistency. Listen, Reverend Owusu Bempah, NDC2 Ras Mubarak I am me boss tell you catch a Ghana for say Temana Reverend Owusu Bempah bashi NDC for no Reverend Owusu Bempah ba omo ho say yema no oshakers omo anfa ama no if you was starting say or criticize NDC day in and day out every day NDC is because of that.
And we are saying Anabatu. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah enim say wo ya kakabensem me ma Dr. Bawumia amma 2028 am ya president ni senti ene say ya man kwa man ba oba be desabo a Christopher enti wo di MPP mpanimfo atem wo dome MPP fo say wo batu aba ma Dr. Bawumia no nyame no me antena wo so but owie ye no na ne yura fi say sabe wane mwa na gu na sori dem wo enti owie ye no waka kire sabe emwa na wona sori dem wo no say MPP fo na omo mu no omo de sabe omo ye banyansafo ni senti ni say omo kwa yangwase adwuma wo MPP amanyokro mu na wo mo de abato kwara sen ade ama wo no a sabe all prevent MPP say obetna opposition entitie make asa kire banyansafo make asa kire badwemba say what Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah sorry dem na se nei wo ya MPP ni na ya ka kire wo political leaders say sabe ebinom ya nkwasiafo ya domi binom na we ye part of the party na se what sa sorry dem ho a wano wo bra wo party say we leader emma power dia ane na asem no meka say sabe na wona muwa na tia sorry dem wo no get me right arafo tie na tie nie se ni party kasa tie se ni party kasa ane na nkyira se a ye chiri kwakwa sabe ne mayeni tie Otai MPP amanyokuru anonti ana wotai Dr. Bawumia tie wotai munipa anonti ana wadomi nipa wa mabatu aba adiama MPP amanyokuru but sen nipa no so woni bi na to wasore damu a kwasiada adwada ebenada wa maba wasore abato kwara sema na wo wie na wutwa mfrati akwaka kira sankofo no se sabe wo mu de wo mu ni munyansa Arafu fa asem ne kwa adwendwim. Yey. Fa asem ne kwa adwendwim. Tie. Sa woti asori dem hobi. Na wotu abama MPP. Na se wo sofo. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah beka kire wo political leader say. Ekwan bia wo befa so a. Amane maye leader no. Amane maye. Wo betu abama sa leader no. Wadome o. Ave ampanifo bi aya nkwasiafo. Owie ye na wo a woti asori dem ho no. Woto kwara sema no. Wo ye adwuma funu ma no nti. Wa beka kire wo se wonim nyansa. Kwaso na tena ho. Kwaso na tena ho. Na wo de sabe me hu ahoma mere be so kon enti me be so sisi. Tie na tie nie. Ahoma mere be so kon no. Minya enti